The XRP Ripple is now having a lot of success. In spite of the fact that the CC has lodged an appeal against Ripple, the community shares a great deal of optimism regarding the future of our preferred cryptocurrency. The chief executive officer of Ripple has stated that the price of XRP may soon reach $425. Doesn't it sound entirely insane? However, these are only the beginning of the process. Our topic for today is going to be the most recent XRP news. That film is going to really blow your mind. Thank you very much. The case between Ripple and the CC has taken a new turn, and those who are involved in the cryptocurrency industry are full of speculation. Not so long ago, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) lodged an appeal against the ruling that resulted in a significant victory for Ripple. Ripple's automatic sales of XRP were not the same as purchasing or selling stocks, according to the court, which had previously stated this about the matter. Those who are in favor of XRP felt relieved and joyful as a result of this. On the other hand, the appeal has given rise to additional instances of uncertainty. A significant number of individuals inside the XRP community are of the opinion that the CC's action is a ploy to prolong the case and maintain the regulation's ambiguity. The sentiments of the people were summed up by Zach Rector in a tweet, which said, "SEC getting exposed while XRP gets ready to explode. It is abundantly evident that those who own XRP are upset, particularly considering the fact that the case has been going on for years." As a result of the appeal, many individuals are curious about what Gary Gensler, the chair of the CC, truly desires to take place. The conclusion made by Judge Torres that automated sales, which are Ripple's public sales of XRP, are not investment contracts appears to be the source of the most frustration for the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). Despite the fact that this was a significant component in reducing the penalties that Ripple was required to endure, the CC appears to be particularly willing to dispute this particular aspect. As a result of the appeal, people are also paying more attention to the more fundamental matter of how XRP is sold on secondary markets. Fans of XRP are curious about the following. In light of the fact that transactions involving XRP on exchanges do not constitute securities deals, does this imply that programmatic sales do not constitute securities transactions? It was brought to the attention of one user that the appeal letter sent by the CC discusses the entire final verdict, not simply the penalty. Mark, a lawyer who has been following the issue very closely, stated that this indicates that both Ripple and the SEC have the ability to appeal the entire ruling, and not just select parts of it like defines Mark's interpretation. A great number of individuals believe that the appeal was solely about the fines, which is why this explanation is highly significant. However, Mark's insight suggests that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) may be considering a change of heart regarding whether or not Ripple's sales were securities. This would result in the market for XRP being regulated once more. Levy said via Twitter that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has convened an urgent meeting to discuss the possibility of reaching a resolution over the appeal of the XRP case. This gives the impression that a solution might be closer than was anticipated. Because of this comment, people are even more curious about whether or not the SEC is altering its stance, particularly considering the fact that the case created a lot of unfavorable comments. Because the Securities and Exchange Commission had initially requested even harsher fines than those that were handed down, this move toward an appeal may be a means to get back on track. A growing number of members of the XRP community are coming to the conclusion that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is not only interested in Ripple, but also in establishing a standard that might be applied to other cryptocurrencies. Mark stated that the SEC's primary concern is not the amount of money, despite the fact that it had initially requested significant fines. On the contrary, it appears that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is attempting to expand its power in the cryptocurrency field, which may have implications for the future control of other tokens. Due to the fact that it has such far-reaching ramifications, the case is one that is of great significance not only for Ripple but also for the entire cryptocurrency community. This legal battle will have repercussions that extend beyond what will already be happening to Ripple at this moment. In the event that the court determines in favor of the CC, it may make it more difficult for future cryptocurrency initiatives to obtain approval from the government. As a result, the jurisdiction of securities law would be expanded to include further digital assets. On the other side, if Ripple continues to be successful, it may usher in a new era of crypto law, one in which digital assets like as XRP are valued based on their utility rather than being constrained by traditional financial regulations. At this point in the proceedings, it is very evident that XRP is engaged in a very significant battle. It is inevitable that this will have an impact on the path that the Bitcoin industry will take. Ripple's determination to fight back is extremely different from the SEC's stern stance, which is very different. In addition, a great number of people in the cryptocurrency industry are quite curious about what will take place. Will this appeal alter the course of the game, or will it simply make the case last longer? The situation is likely to become considerably more dire. Now, analysts are predicting that the price of XRP Ripple might skyrocket and climb by an astounding 80,000%, which would cause shockwaves to spread across the whole cryptocurrency market. This is not only another assumption about the cost of the item. In the future, it might bring about a change in the way digital commodities are utilized. It's possible that you haven't seen everything. The next big event in the world of cryptocurrencies is going to throw everything into disarray, and you won't want to miss out on it. Now is the time to get ready. Because this is going to take you by surprise, there is a growing amount of optimism surrounding XRP, and many analysts anticipate a potential enormous rise that may make headlines across the whole cryptocurrency sector. A tweet sent out by Jack the Rippler nicely encapsulated the current state of affairs. If you have $1 million in XRP, you will be the first person in your family to have that amount of money. There is a reason why so many people are interested in it, despite the fact that it is risky. This is not merely a collection of empty words. A well-known analyst by the name of Crypto Bull recently brought to light an intriguing trend that gives the impression that XRP may be on the verge of seeing a rally similar to the one it experienced in 2017, when it experienced an astounding increase of price of 80,000%. A number of individuals who are interested in XRP have taken notice of the technical research conducted by Crypto Bull. They are under the impression that the events of the past are about to take place once more. The study conducted by Crypto Bull revealed that the price chart of XRP was forming a triangle formation. This is a common indicator in technical analysis that indicates a breakout is going to take place. Triangle patterns are seen during the consolidation stages of an asset's price movement, which occurs when the price moves inside trend lines that are narrowing. These trend lines are approaching closer and closer to the present price of XRP, which has always resulted in significant price fluctuations in the past. Continuing forward, Crypto Bull stated that this will happen, regardless of how much you deny it, is a statement that a significant number of those working in the cryptocurrency industry agree with. When looking at the chart, the green lines indicate the areas where the corners of the triangle are decreasing in size, and the red lines indicate the areas where significant support and resistance levels are located. Over the course of several years, XRP has been bouncing off of this point, demonstrating a respect for long-term support while failing to break through resistance. The fact that XRP has lately dropped below its long-term strong point is possibly the most significant item to take into consideration. Something that took place prior to the significant price increase in 2017. The analysis conducted by Crypto Bull suggests that the most recent decline may have been a false breakdown. This would imply that the price merely dropped below support for a little period of time before immediately climbing back up again. In most cases, this kind of behavior is considered to be an indication of a significant bullish turnaround. As you take a step back and examine the wider picture, you will notice that this trend of recovery is consistent with the notion that XRP is beginning a new bullish cycle, since the last time we witnessed something similar to this. A journey through the cosmos was undertaken by XRP. If the past is any indicator, it is possible that we are witnessing the beginning of yet another increase that will smash records. Despite the fact that the chart of Crypto Bull does not display a particular price target, if XRP continues to increase by the same amount, 80,000%, it will reach an astounding $425. Because of what would occur, early crypto believers would be elevated to the status of crypto heroes. Cryptocurrency bulls are not the only ones who believe this might take off. In addition, other analysts have stated that the current trajectory of XRP appears to be quite similar to the trajectory that existed prior to the rise in 2017. At the time of this writing, the price of XRP was $0.53, which means that even a modest increase in value would have a significant impact on the financial situation of investors. The technical signals are beginning to take shape, despite the fact that the path that lies ahead is not going to be simple, and there will always be people who are skeptical. This will take place